Cleaning and disinfecting your Zebra mobile computer. Power off and disconnect the device from AC/DC power. Do not remove the battery during cleaning. Cleaning materials required: alcohol wipes, lens tissue, cotton-tipped applicators, isopropyl alcohol, and protective gloves. Caution: always wear eye protection. Read the warning label on alcohol products before using. Use alcohol wipes or dampen a soft sterile cloth, not wet, with the approved agent. Wipe side to side. Do not drag debris from the screen into the audio openings. Thoroughly wipe the housing, including all buttons. Thoroughly wipe the housing. Never spray or pour chemical agents directly onto the device. Use a moistened, cotton-tipped applicator to reach tight areas. Be sure to remove any lint left over by the applicator. Do not allow liquid to pool. Allow the device to air dry. Ensure electrical contacts are fully dry before reapplying power. To avoid damage to the device or accessory, it is important to use only Zebra-approved cleaning and disinfecting agents from the list shown. Please note the following important warnings. For further information, look up the user guide for your exact model on the support section of our website and turn to the cleaning instructions section. Thank you for your attention.